how to turn on or turn off developer messages notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. Now in here, go down and tap on advanced settings. Then we scroll down and tap on manage notification categories for each app. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then tap on the back key. Here we go to the top and tap on app. Tap on app notifications. Then tap on the more button and choose show system apps. In here we scroll down and tap on Android system. Next, tap on notification categories. And then we scroll down and tap on developer messages. At the top here, tap on allow notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can choose to receive notifications from developer messages in silent or in alert mode. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key and tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.